Hey, what's up? How are you doing, guys? It's Apple Tech Review. I want us to review Samsung Level U2. Yeah, the latest headphones from Samsung. Yeah, so let us do unboxing. Make sure you watch this video until the end. I'm going to give you pros and cons for these headphones. All right, let's do unboxing. We check. So guys, this is Samsung Level U2. Yeah, you can find this one around 100 Qatar Riyal. Yeah, in Qatar currency. Yeah, at 100 Qatar Riyal. So these are the stuff. It comes with this quick start guide. Yeah, so if you want to check out to see how you can use it, this is the guide. Yeah, then it comes with also extra rubbers in different sizes. So let's put this one here. Let's check it. So as you can see, this is the one which is current on the market from Samsung. This one is different from Samsung Level U Pro, yeah, and Level U. Yeah, so this is it, as you see. Yeah, it comes with magnet to hold the earpieces. This one is a bit different from the old one. This one is small and circle. Then it has here Samsung Level. Yeah, and then it has here charging port for cable type C. The old one, it was different for the old cable, but this one is the new one, which is type C. As you can see, it's type C. Yeah, guys, so pro and cons for this one. Let us talk about its pro and cons. Before that, we have switch button here. The old one, it was here for just switching like this. Then we have volume switches here. Then we also have connecting button here. Yeah, this one is a Bluetooth connecting button. Yeah, so what are the pros for this one? So pros, it is very light. If you are checking, it is very light. Yeah, that is pro number one. Yeah, then number two, according to the size, the money, the amount, it's not expensive. Yeah, around 100 Qatar Riyal. It's not much expensive. Yeah, you can convert to your currency if you want to know exact how much in your currency. And then another thing, it has the sound. The sound is decent. It has a decent sound. It gives good sound. Yeah, and then again, the controls. Another pro, the controls. Yeah, you can access it. It is in a nice position, so you can access it where you can know the first one is this, the second one is this. Yeah, then another thing, another pro, it has good battery life. It has good battery life. it can go up to 13 hours when you are talking, making calls, and another thing, it has good microphones. Yeah, one is here. Let's check whether it has two also this side. Yeah, no, it has only one. Yeah, it has only one. Yeah, so then when you are playing music, it can go up to 18 hours, up to 18 hours of use. Yes. Okay, so those were the pros. Then what are the cons? Okay, the cons, one is the bass. The bass is, it doesn't have deep bass because of these rubbers. Yeah. Then another con, it doesn't have noise cancellation. As you know, these rubbers, they don't create that blockage of outside noise. Yeah. So then another one, it's bass and the noise cancellation. So those are the only cons. So if you are to buy this one, it's very nice. It's very nice. For me, I can recommend you to buy this one. Let's check. This is cable type C. Yeah, if you connect it, as you can see, this is the battery indicator. When it gets full, it will change to green. Yeah. So those are the cons and the pros. If you're interested in this, headphones, it's worth it. I can recommend you if you are to buy this one. If you can consider 100 Qatar Riyal. As you can see, the price here, see, 118. Yeah. So guys, that is it. All right, catch you in the next one. Don't forget to leave your comments down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Yeah, catch you in the next one. Thank you.